One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Is Uber listening to the driver regarding safety?
I got this from a Florida driver. This goes back to the cash thing situation, right? So, driver confidence with new cash payment safeguards. There's new safeguards, Chris.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah. Look at this. To help create a more comfortable experience, we've introduced rider identity verification for cash trips.
Which was already,
but they had to be a verified rider to order a cash trip to start with.
Was already. That was the whole point of having cash trips in the first place, was you had to be verified.
But there's more now. Riders paying with cash need to verify their identity and may additionally need to pass an ID and selfie check to request their ride. This is new. I like it. I like this.
How
about them apples? It's pretty good, no?
Yeah. How is that gonna do anything?
Well, no. I mean, okay, you're a verified rider, just like they're making a. If now they're daily they're making me take a selfie now.
But I'm Chris, and I ordered the ride for Sergio, and I ordered it as a cash ride because all you needed to do was get from point A to point B, and you said you were going to pay. Well, I don't have to worry about it. So what ended up happening was you said, "Hey, for some reason my phone's not working, but I need to be picked up here. Can you do that for me?" And you're texting me from somebody else's phone, or called me from the bar or something. And so I say, "Yeah, sure, that's fine." And so you say, "Yeah, okay, I'll do cash." So all I have to do is just be verified. And they say, "Oh, take your ID selfie." Okay, so I take my ID selfie, and then there it goes, and then I order the ride. But Sergio, you're at pickup.
Yeah, well, look, that's a valid point. I don't have the answer for it, but
how does that do a damn thing?
No, I mean, I like.
They got to add a little sentence in here, because it says you'll have more peace of mind that users who say they are, and so you can drive with more confidence and focus on the road ahead. But what happens when Sergio comes to the pickup and it's for Chris? Even though it's a guest ride.
That's an edge case.
Yeah, that's an edge case all the time, let me tell you. How many times in a day do you go and it's for somebody else? It's for the boyfriend, it's for the girlfriend, it's for the wife, it's for the kid, it's for the whoever. How many times?
I get it, but I don't think I think 90, probably 5%, 97% of trips are taken by the person who orders it. I'm going to email you, Sergio. Email me. Okay, Monique, Sergio at the rideshareguy.com. I've been driving since 20. You're ready to talk. You're ready to spill the beans. Yes, let's talk.
Well, either way.
Currency, we talked about those things. But, okay. I like the selfie because now they're actually asking they're tightened the selfie situation, but the driver's uploading driver's license back and front, and new selfie that you cannot change unless you call the support. By the way, if you do take that selfie, folks, and you don't like your picture, don't say accept, because that'll be stuck there. Now you have to call support to rechange that. If you took a stupid picture, or you look like some gangster, you didn't like your picture, you have to call support to change it. Because my older picture I like better than my new picture, and then I went in and I go let me change my picture. And he goes, "No, you have to call support to change it." I'm like, "What the fuck?" I go, I look like a criminal, for God's sakes. No chick is going to get in my car now. But anyway, the point is, I do like this. I like the tighter. Okay, I get your point, but let's say it's not.
It's like saying you're going to get a 2x surge on your next ride, but over what? Or you're going to get, if you're a rider, you're going to get a discount on a ride over what? It's the same exact thing. It's pointless. Like, those types of things aren't going to make a difference. The reality is that trips could potentially open you up for problems. Now, if you are going to actually give that information to the police if there's an issue that arises, well, that's a different story.
Okay, I'll give you that. So let's talk a little bit about safety because I just clicked on Uber News. Okay. So
Uh-oh.
one day ago, Queen City News: Uber driver killed, 4 seriously injured after Gastonia crash. One day ago, from WSOC TV: Uber driver killed, passenger critically injured in chain reaction crash. I'm just going in line. I'm just reading all the Uber news. NBC 10 Philadelphia: one day ago, Uber driver killed in New Jersey crash on Sunday. And then verified Uber account reportedly begs Sophie Rain for grocery money. Okay. Basically, a Twin Cities Uber Eats driver robbed at gunpoint or knife point.
That's why I'm driving potty
And
now.
bro, it's like every single one is like, so we're talking about safety, but there's also the other side of the story that every single news is about Uber driver killed, Uber driver got carjacked. So, but then our good old Jeff did a video.
Uber driver got screwed because he was trying to put money in the bank, but they were counterfeit bills.
There's a potential of that, yes. And Uber driver got robbed at the ATM because he was depositing Uber's cash. I don't know about that. But anyway, so yeah, safety. Look, these things are going to happen. If you do if I took 1.3 million steps walking somewhere, I am sure I'll break a hip and an ankle and blow my ACL or whatever. But it's not to minimize the situation, but certain things that they have done lately, I do like. Now, this driver's license back and front and the selfie thing has become a pain in the ass because I have gotten many emails now that, so once you put the selfie on, the new one, and then Uber asks you to verify during the day at least once now, and that doesn't match that one, then Uber goes, no, you can't drive now. So there are problems with the AI, Uber. You guys need to figure this shit out pretty quick because my mailbox is getting full again with these. Oh, it won't
For all
verify.
the
I'm like,
illegal accounts. They're like, I can't drive. I can't make money.
no, well, we're going to talk about that now in a minute. So, but anyway, yeah. Okay.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.